Hello everyone, back from another video. We're playing Peace with there's 100 card players. Let's do this first. Come on. Cam. Juventus. Is that Zidane? What a goal, Zidane! Wow. Free pack, let's go. Oh man. Come on, who are we getting? Striker? Who is it? Oh, that's very good, that's very good, that's very good. 250. Come on. Spain. Right back. Daniel. No, not Daniel. Very good card. 96. Wow. Over. Bro, a lot of good players. I'm happy to provide more videos for you guys to just make you happy. One more pack and the video will end because I don't have that much time today. But hope you like this video. Let's link Neymar. Oh, very good. Let's go. Okay, last pack. Come on. Goalkeeper. Yashin. Let's go. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye.